Welcome to Ronnie Presents the Cricket Expert. And before going to our match number 38, let's talk about our previous game, match number 37, between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings. It was Rajasthan's Halla Bowl, which was of great potential as compared to the Whistle Podu by CSK. And Rajasthan Royals beat the Chennai Super Kings by 7 wickets. We saw magnificent batting from Josh Butler, who finally came back to form with his 70 not out, and Steve Smith gave a good hand to him, and they shared a vital partnership because earlier CSK bowlers were on charge who took 3 Rajasthan wickets very cheaply, but these two guys made sure that they are getting over the line. So we can see the Rajasthan Royals have now gone to pay place number 5, and they are very much close. If you see, they are just one win away from the playoff spot. So, as I said yesterday, it's the liveliest table till I have seen till now, and anything can happen on a given day. The bottom 4 teams are still capable enough of entering to the top 4 spot. If not top 2, but they can still get qualified at top spot number 3 and 4. So we have a game on our hands, and next few days in this IPL are going to be very crucial. Our tomorrow's game is match number 38 between Kings 11 Punjab and Delhi Capitals. Kings 11 Punjab won their last game against Mumbai Indians, and they are now placed at place number 7 in the points table, whereas Delhi Capitals are sitting pretty at the top spot. If Punjab wins tomorrow, they will topple Rajasthan Royals and go to the 5th spot, and they will be one win away from the playoff berth. So let's take a look at the ground stats, the player matchup, the Dream 11 team in our next section. Stay tuned. So let's take a look at the pitch report, player versus player matchup, and the Punjab versus DC head-to-head stats. This match will be held in Dubai International Stadium in Dubai. The par score at this venue is 170. There have been total 18 games played so far in this ground. 12 have been won by the team batting first, 3 are won while chasing, while the 3 games have been tied. Whereas the last game, which was the most important game of the season, that was between Kings 11 Punjab and Mumbai Indians, got tied, and it ended up into 2 super overs because first super over was also tied, so the match got resulted into the second super over in which Kings 11 Punjab beat Mumbai Indians. So there have been 3 tied games, so you can expect another tied game tomorrow. Yes. If we take a look at the ground stats, then there are big boundaries across this ground, and this is one of the longest ground that we have in this year's IPL, with all the boundaries are on the bigger side and they are uniform. It assists the spin in the second innings because there have been 18 games so far at this ground, and in this IPL we have had almost 10-12 games at this ground. So it has slowed down a bit. The wicket has been the wicket has slowed down a bit. So it started to assist spinner right from the start, but we have seen that it gets slower and slower in the second innings. So it tends to slow down, and there will be variable bounce. So so the slower bowlers, like those who like to bowl some cutters, they will be very useful at this ground. If we take a look at the head-to-head stat between 2 teams, then these 2 teams met each other 25 times in Dream 11 IPL, and Kings 11 Punjab leads DC with 14-11 win record. So Kings 11 Punjab start favourite whenever they meet Delhi Capitals. The previous encounter between these 2 teams went the other way, where the Delhi Capitals won the game in a super over. Most runs in when these 2 teams met have been scored by Shreyas Iyer, who has scored 284 runs. Most wickets so far have gone to Akshar Patel, who has taken 12 caps. If you take a look at the player matchups, then there are 4 key battles to look for in tomorrow's game, and they have some significance to it. Gale and Ashwin, these are the 2 veterans of the IPL. Gale and Ashwin has been the contest to look for whenever Gale used to play for RCB and Ashwin used to play for CSK, who can forget their tussle in 2011 final where RCB had to win say more than 200 and Dhoni brought in Ashwin in front of Gale and he got him out on the first ball of the match and almost sealed the game for CSK because the target was huge in the finals. If we take a look at the head-to-head battle between Gale and Ashwin, then Ashwin has bowled 59 balls to Gale and Gale has struggled big time, scoring only 49 runs and got out 4 times to him. If we take a look at Mayank Agarwal and Ashwin, again Ashwin holds the edge over Mayank. He has bowled 27 balls and batsman has managed only 40 runs to score and got out to Ashwin thrice. If we take a look at the third key battle is Maxwell versus Ashwin. Maxwell hasn't been at his imperial best in this IPL and he has struggled big time, scoring only 63 runs in as many games that he has played. But he enjoyed batting against Ashwin and he has played 36 balls from Ashwin and scored 84 runs, got out to him only once. So Maxwell has edge over Ashwin and we can expect Maxwell to come his to the previous best in tomorrow's game. If we take a look at another battle between Shikhar Dhawan and Mohammad Shami, then Shami has bowled 30 balls to Dhawan and Dhawan has scored 45 runs against him without getting out. So Dhawan enjoys pace and Shami can give him that. So this is another important battle to look for. Shami has been in good form and he bowled a tight super over against Mumbai Indians to win the game for Kings 11 Punjab. If we take a look at another battle which is Stoinis and Jordan, it is not as older battle as Gale and Ashwin is, but if you see, Stoinis has played 20 balls from the bowler and scoring 63 runs, where he scored a lot of runs in the first game in this IPL when Kings 11 Punjab and DC met, and he creamed him for 24 runs in 1 over. So all in all, we can see Delhi batters like facing the Kings 11 Punjab bowlers, and Ashwin holds the edge over the Kings 11 Punjab batsman. So let's see in our next section the players to watch out for, Dream 11 team and the playing 11 changes. Stay tuned. So let's take a look at the players to watch out for, Dream 11 and the playing 11 changes for the game between Kings 11 Punjab and Delhi Capitals. So the players to watch out for from the Delhi Capitals side are Prithvi Shaw, Shreyas Iyer and Kagiso Rabada. Shaw has played few innings, but he had 2 off games in 2 previous games. So I will expect him to come good and score some quick runs against Rabada and Nokia. Against the Kings 11 Punjab bowlers Shami and Chris Jordan. If you take a look at Shreyas Iyer, then Shreyas Iyer has been their consistent run scorer and he's scoring quite consistently. So I expect the same from him in tomorrow's game. Kagiso Rabada has been ever consistent and he is the current purple cap holder with 19 wickets. And I expect him to take a couple of wickets at least. And he holds a record for going wicketless in last 23 games. So I'm sure he will take at least couple of wickets. If we take a look at the players to watch out for from the Kings 11 Punjab side, then KL Rahul, Mohammad Shami and Nicholas Pooran are my picks. KL Rahul has been consistent and he will score and I'm sure he will score some good runs. He's taking his time and then building on the innings. So we have seen a different version of Rahul in this year's IPL. I'm sure he will come good in tomorrow's game as well. Mohammad Shami has been their consistent speedster and he will take, like Rabada, he will lead from the front and he will at least take 2 wickets in tomorrow's game. Nicholas Pooran has been at his destructive best in his previous innings and I can see him continuing in tomorrow's game as well when the team needs him the most. And the wildcard picks are Chris Gale from Kings 11 Punjab. It's no-brainer and I would like him to score more and more runs in tomorrow's game. Whereas for the Delhi Capitals side, I guess the wildcard will be Stoinis because Stoinis is giving them the edge at the back end where he scores runs freely and he will be the player to watch out for and the wildcard from Delhi Capitals side. If we take a look at the playing 11 changes, then Kings 11 Punjab might be tempted to bring Jimmy Neesham for Maxwell, but I don't see that happening because Maxwell has been bowling 4 overs consistently in his last few games. So I can see them continuing with Maxwell for one more game. Uh, as far as the Delhi Capitals are concerned, Rishabh Pant will be coming back for Rahane because he has recovered from his injury. So it gives a chance to bring in Shimron Hetmeyer for Carey, who was filling in as a keeper in the absence of Pant. So I guess Hetmeyer will come in for Carey. These are the two changes from the Capitals side. If we take a look at our Dream 11 team, then we are going in as a keeper with KL Rahul, the batsman Mayank Agarwal, Gale, Nicholas Puran and Shreyas Iyer. You can have Prithvi Shaw instead of Mayank Agarwal. It's your choice. All-rounder choices are Marcus Stoinis and Glenn Maxwell. You can choose Akshar Patel instead of Maxwell. This is a like-to-like replacement. As far as the bowlers are concerned, Shami, Rabada, Nokia and Ravichandran Ashwin. We are going in with Rahul as the captain and Rabada as a vice captain. These two have been the consistent in terms of batting and bowling is concerned. The other captaincy picks are Nicholas Puran or Shreyas Iyer. If you want to choose vice captain, then you might go with one of the all-rounder option, or you can even choose Ashwin or Mohammad Shami. The choice is yours. From our side, the team to win is going to be Kings 11 Punjab, looking at their red-hot form in the previous game, and I'm sure that they will go on their winning streak, winning one more game. Whereas, as far as the ground is concerned and the trend in the IPL is concerned, whoever wins the toss bats first. For us, Kings 11 Punjab will do that, and they will be the winners in the game. You can look at this Dream 11 team and choose your own picks and the team to win. Kings 11 Punjab is for us. May the best team win.